Hello, hello, madlang peeps, mga kautang. Try natin ang outdoor background for a change. Again, disclaimer lang po, di po ako sponsored, but all of these are based on experience, opinion, and research. So let's start na mabilisang review tayo kay Honey Loan. SEC registered kaya legit. Pero sweet as honey nga ba? Long term daw. Long term, 182 days. 182 days or 6 months. Totoo nga ba? Starting at 0% sa first loan, 1K to 10K sa first loan. Sobrang bongga naman ito. Totoo talaga. Masasabi natin sweet as honey nga. Well. Based on my experience, medyo sweet din naman talaga. Bittersweet. Kasi madali lang ang loan process. Personal info, 1 valid ID, 1 contact reference, di tulad ng iba na 5 talaga. At then, no payslip. At hindi sila humingi masyado ng mga access sa phone like contacts at usage of apps. At madali din ang cash release sa prefer mo na bank or other online wallet. Sa akin, 3K lang yung na-request ko kasi yun lang ang need ko. At 3,378 ang babayaran in 7 days. So, hindi totoo yung 0% at 6 months to pay. At 1 payment lang. Pero naman choice na pwede mag-minimum payment at the amount of 453. But need pa rin fully paid in 7 days. But in fairness, buo mong matatanggap ang pera, kaya if badly needed ka, okay na rin. At di rin naman ganun kataas ang interest like other olas. But ang negative part is matapos kang magbayad on time, pag mag-relon ka, paulit-ulit na sasabihin ng system na please refresh and try again. Then, hindi pa masyado precise ang kanilang system. Tulad ng i-copy-paste mo na lang yung mga details pag nagbayad ka at nag-fill up. Dito, mano-mano, itatype mo pa talaga ng paisa-isa. So for now, 3.8 lang muna ang ratings ko. As I always said, hindi advisable mangutang, but if terms of emergency, at least alam natin kung saan tayo huhugot talaga. Just lang. Yun lang for now, and stay tuned here in Green for more all update. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.